With P0 security, we make it really easy to get a full inventory and ownership of every identity, human and non-human, in GCP. You begin by navigating to the IAM assessment section, and you're presented with the assessment findings for various categories such as unused users, unused service accounts, excess privileges, and so on. Now, if you want the entire inventory of identities, you go to Explore from the top of the page. Here, you choose to show all the principals, and voila, you're presented with all human and non-human identities. You can use our query language to further filter down this list to just show groups, or users, or service accounts. Finally, you can also look at an individual service account and use our graph view to explore all the resources this service account has access to.